Okay, come here, say hi. Hi! This is Posty. He's my very handsome dog. I love him so much. Hi and bye. All right, you guys, if you guys are interested in E85 conversion kits here in California, I got some big news for you. AB 2046 passed the Senate Transportation Committee today. It now moves on to the Senate Appropriations. Hopefully it will pass and then move on to the Senate floor and then pass on to the governor's desk and be signed into law by hopefully October. Keep our fingers crossed. I'm going to go over what's going on in this video, so make sure to like, subscribe, share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. Don't forget, I'm trying to hit that 100,000 sub this year. You might be the one to help me get me there, so hit that sub button right now, please. And everything I talk about that I show you up here, that I mentioned in my videos, there's links in the description to everything. I don't keep you guys in the dark about what's going on, and I don't make up a bunch of crap to get clicks. If I would lie to you guys and hype stuff up and say, emissions are going away, you can delete whatever you want. Yeah, blah, 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 I would get way more clicks, trust me. But I give you guys real information with receipts in the description. All right, here we go. Like I said, if you're interested in an E85 conversion kit on your vehicle here in California, AB 2046 is a bill that you should be interested in. As it is right now, there is no E85 conversion kits allowed for sale in California. If this bill passes, it's going to pass on the approval process of E85 conversion kits to the federal EPA. So any E85 conversion kits that are currently approved by the federal EPA or that will be approved by the federal EPA will be allowed to be installed in California without a CARB number or any CARB approval, as long as it's federally certified or federally approved. I know a lot of people don't really like E85, but me, myself, I'm kind of interested in it. In my 07 Lexus, I really wouldn't mind installing a kit on that vehicle. I have been looking at E-Flex Fuel. These kits really interest me, and they are really easy to install, they look like. They're not that cheap, around $1,000, $800 I think it was, but it's a kit that installs under the hood, no remapping, no reprogramming, and if we pull up E85, if I just Google search it real fast, or eflexfuel.com, let me pull it back up, where was it again? Here it is, E-Flex Fuel, and this is just real quick from a Google search. No tune E85 kits. Run E85, gas, or any mixture automatically. Zero tuning, zero inputs required. It seems super easy to install. What I like about E85 is it's $3 per gallon here in my local area, and when even gas prices got up to $6 a few weeks ago, a month ago, it stayed at $3 a gallon. So that part really interests me. I know a lot of people say that it could be detrimental to your engine, but I'm willing to give it a try and be the guinea pig for you guys. I have had a lot of people comment in the other videos saying that they have installed these eflexfuel.com kits and they love them. So I'm willing to give it a try. So if you are interested in a E-Flex Fuel, not a E-Flex Fuel, but a E85 conversion kit on your vehicle in California, AB 2045, make sure that's it. What was it? Sorry, AB 2046 is a bill that you really want to watch. It now moves on to the Senate Appropriations. Hopefully it will pass and then move on to the Senate floor and then pass on to the governor's desk and be signed into law by hopefully October. Keep our fingers crossed. And hopefully by then I'll have some big news. But stay tuned. I will keep you guys updated as this bill makes progress through California legislation. And I'm going to keep my fingers crossed for it because I'm willing to be the guinea pig for you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys taking your time out of your day to see what I have to say. Links in the description below for everything I talk about. I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.